Hello everyone. Today let's learn about time approvals. So as a manager, I can approve the time for the people that report to me. So I'm on the time review page and I go to approvals. I will change the date range from default. So I will select the user from the list. You see all the users that report to you. So you can select any specific user if you want, or you see the time entries of all the time users that report to you. So now I've selected a specific user, and when I want to approve it, I can approve them one by one by selecting each row and click the approve button. Or I can select all the time entries. So you see 10 time entries in one row. If you want, you can change it to more if you want, and click the checkbox here so that you select all the time entries and click the approve button. So this is how you approve the time details. And if you want to reject, follow the same steps, and once you have selected the time entries, you can just click the reject button so the time entries are rejected. So this is how you approve or reject the time details of an user.